Hunter.
And we are in the kitchen at the Jones house. You guys know we love to travel. One of our favorite adventures is at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We love that park at Universal Orlando and Universal Hollywood. It is so much fun for the entire family. There's a specific drink that's a tasty treat that's at Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Hunter, do you know what it is?
I don't know. Do you know what it is?
Is it butterbeer?
Yeah.
Every time we go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, we will get a frozen butterbeer or a hot butterbeer. It is the must-get treat at Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We are at home and we've been kind of dreaming about having a butterbeer and maybe sitting down and doing a Harry Potter movie marathon.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make our favorite butterbeer recipe with you guys today so you can make it at home with us. Let us begin.
So your ingredients are vanilla ice cream,
Yum.
some butterscotch syrup,
Super yum.
and some cream soda.
You're also gonna need a blender. So we do not have a big blender, we have a little blender, and we're gonna modify the recipe a little bit for us. Make sure you click that eye in the sky for the full butterbeer recipe that you can make at home. Your first step is get 4 16-ounce glasses and put them in the freezer to cool for 20 minutes.
And take a blender and you're gonna put 1 quart of vanilla ice cream and 32 ounces of cream soda. Now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of butterscotch syrup. Now we blend it. Here's the finished product. Now for a taste test. Yummy. Tastes just like it.
So super simple, 3 ingredients, a blender. And how does it taste?
It's good.
As she's drinking the whole thing. That's good. Keep on dreaming. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Love you all.